Hey everyone, welcome to day 9. We're going to come on over to our backs onto our mat and bringing the soles of the feet together, coming into our Supta Baddha Konasana or reclined butterfly pose. Bringing the heels as close to the body as comfortable for you, and just allow the knees to fall open to each side of the mat. Close down the eyes, softening through the shoulders, and either resting your hands alongside the body or resting them on your belly. Arriving here on your mat, bringing your awareness to your breath, inhaling slowly into the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. Just taking a moment to check in with the body, being super heavy as you lie on your back, and then focusing on the restriction in your hips, just taking note of any discomfort and sending oxygen to that area as you breathe in, and then giving it permission to melt away as you exhale. We're just allowing gravity to do the work here as the knees draw closer and closer to the mat. Taking one more deep inhalation. And as you exhale, bringing the knees together and then extending the left leg long, draw your knee up and around your right rib cage, keeping the left toes flexed towards the sky. Just find some ankle movement on the right side. And as you're ready, we're going to draw our right knee to the left side of our mat, finding a gentle twist for the low back. Reach the right arm to the right side of the mat, taking your gaze to the right, and maybe using your left hand here to draw your right leg over. Just applying some gentle pressure. Taking 3 deep breaths here, allowing the glute and the low back to release. Give the body permission to soften on this side. And as you're ready, on your next exhale, bringing the legs back to center, switching sides, we're going to extend the right leg, compressing the hip, pull the knee up and around the rib cage, and just begin to point and flex the left foot, opening through the ankle. Take a deep breath in and exhale, drawing the left knee to the right side of the mat. Extend through the left arm, taking your gaze to the left side. Feel free to keep the eyes closed at any position during this practice. Just doing your best to keep your focus internal, being here with your body on your mat. Just letting go of any soreness in the low body that you may be feeling after the last few days of practice. And just gifting it this release of tension. Take a deep breath in and out as you deepen into this twist. And when you're ready, drawing the knees back to center, we're going to extend the legs straight up, pulling the toes towards your face. And then draw the knees down. Maybe you want to grab your ankles here, just coming into any variation of happy baby. Just close down the eyes and either finding movement, rocking back and forth as you draw the knees closer to the mat. Maybe you want to extend one leg at a time, just finding movement that feels good to your body. Bringing awareness to your spine, try to ensure that your tailbone is staying grounded. And in your own time, finding stillness in this position, drawing both knees gently to the side of your mat. Just taking note of the restriction and giving the body permission to release tension with each exhale. Just staying here for a moment, going deep into the fascia and the connective tissues here. Take another breath in, and slowly as you exhale, releasing the legs back to center, draw the knees in, bring your awareness back to your breath, and in your own time, gently making your way to child's pose, coming over to your mat. We're going to sit the hips back to your heels, rest the forehead and the belly down, widening the knees as much as you'd like, and extending the arms to the front of the mat and allowing them to be super heavy. I want you to close down the eyes here and just softening through the low back and the glutes and your hips. Take a deep breath in and out, melting into this position. Letting go of tension through the pelvic floor with your next exhale. Oftentimes we hold soreness and stiffness and emotional turmoil in this area of the body. So just take your awareness to this area and allow the body to let that go, letting go of any thoughts and emotions. And on your final exhale, slowly drawing the knees together and walking the hands up, come into a seated position at the back of your mat. Extend tall through the spine. Close the eyes while resting the palms on the knees. Soften the shoulders. And gently showing gratitude for your body and your mind. and taking this moment to also show gratitude for anything else you might be grateful for. Maybe it's someone, maybe it's multiple people. Just sending love out today to yourself and to others. May you take this positivity with you as you leave your mat today. Blink the eyes open when you're ready. Taking a final inhale, reach the arms up and bringing the hands to heart center. I'm grateful for you getting on your mat today and joining me for this practice. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Namaste.